Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to think in English because I get a lot of questions about how I can think in English and stop translating from my native language in my head. So here's the solution for them who thinks that it's very hard to stop translating from my native languages and think in English. Just imagine yourself in English. So what do I mean by that? I mean, whenever you're gonna watch a video or maybe the movies or listen to a podcast, you should listen or watch the videos in English. Name each and every words you see in front of you. Suppose you are going to a market, then name it whatever the objects you see in front of you. And if you are in a room, try to make all the objects name very clear. And try to build a simple sentences like I go to home, I go to school, and I'm just going to the ground, whatever it is. Try to make simple sentences. Last one is talk to yourself in front of the mirror. Maybe the daily routine, maybe the incident that happened with you. Just talk to yourself in front of the mirror. By doing all of these things that I've shared in this video, you will see a little change in your thinking. I hope you like this video. And if you do like, make sure you share and subscribe to this channel, and also comment down below if you have any queries and questions. Till then, thank you.